guys, hello and welcome to another tutorial. I'll be starting a new tutorial series on Python programming. So I just wanted to introduce to you how you can set up your environment. It's very simple. Free IDE, spider-ide.org, that's the website. And what is an IDE? It's an integrated development environment. So it's an environment in which you can code, you can compile, and you can run your code. So it's the same environment in which you can do a lot of stuff. If you need any additional libraries, you can always download the Anaconda. And these are the components of this IDE. You have an editor, you have console, you have variable explorer, debugger, help, plots, and for any additional libraries, you can just go to the other sources. So it has several plugins. Just to simply download this, all you need to do is go and click download for Windows, and it will download it for you. I will also show you, once you download, how you can test in this environment to make sure that everything runs just fine. So first of all, you download and then you open Spider app. I have Spider version 5 that I just downloaded. And then let me show you how you can start a new file by simply clicking File, New, or you can just click this icon over here. You can type to test print, which is equivalent to display, and then in the parentheses you can type, for example here, hi, or hello world, whatever you want to do. You can hit the save. You can give this file a name, and then you can hit the save button. I'm going to give it just some name, doesn't really matter. So we can just call this one test1. Okay, now I will hit the play button. The keyboard shortcut is F5, and here you can see, you can click the play button, and then you can see over here in the console the output is displayed high. So this is a simple test that you can do after you download the Spider environment. And let me know if you have any questions about this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye-bye.